Y'all, welcome back to another video. I am Deanna Janae, if you did not know, and in today's video we will be talking about my personal natural hair tips for hair growth. We support healthy hair over here, but we do want a little bit of length. We want some length, but overall we want healthy hair. If you watched my previous video, you have seen my natural hair journey from where I big chopped from this short and I'm currently at this length. Okay, let's just talk about how I got there, what I do, what I use, all that good kind of stuff. As for natural hair tips, I only have 5 tips that I can share with you. And these are not in any particular order. None of them are more important than the other. You just need to do all of them. So the first one I have, and I'm looking down because I wrote it down so I can stay on track. The first one I have is make sure you cut off all damage, okay? Y'all, don't even play around with no heat damage and no burnt ends from being dyed and all that kind of stuff. Y'all, go ahead and cut it off. Like, why are you holding on to it? The longer you hold on to it, that's how long it's gonna take for you to grow long hair. So, and not even just long hair, that's how long it's gonna take for you to grow healthy hair. Just go ahead and cut the damage off. Okay, and that's what I did. I cut all of my permed hair off, okay? Do regular trims. You know, over time as your hair grows, you do gradually get split ends, and if you don't cut those split ends, they're just gonna continue to split. So you have to do regular trims. I personally don't trim my hair as often as other people would. I probably trim my hair every like 4 months, if that. It's not really that often, but whenever I notice that my hair is getting knotted and it's just not curling how it needs to, or my styles are looking messed up, that's how I know it's time to trim. And I can do a different video on how you know when it's time to trim your hair, and I can do a video of me trimming my hair as well. Make sure you do regular trims. Now, I don't know what regular is to you, but I just know when my hair needs to be trimmed. So number 3 is protective styling. Okay, a lot of people don't understand protective styling, but protective styling is just styling your hair in a way where it's protecting your hair, putting your hair away, and it's providing as the least amount of stress and tension to your hair so that it can just grow. Okay, I wouldn't consider a protective style to be anything that is too tight, anything that causes you to manipulate your hair every single day. You want to just leave your hair alone, keep your hands out of it so that it can just grow and just be at peace. And I can vouch for some protective styling. I protective style a whole lot. I have a protective style in right now. These are crochets. Crochets are a great protective style because it's very low manipulation. Number 4, keep your hair and your scalp clean. Okay, you want to make sure that you're washing your hair. For me, I typically don't go longer than about 3 weeks before I wash my hair. Some people wash their hair more often, some people less. Is that a word? Less often? Let's do less often. But yeah, so some people do it more often, some people do it less often. But for me, I don't go longer than 3 weeks of washing my hair. That just works for me. That helps my scalp stay clean, helps my hair, the shaft of my hair stay clean, smelling good. You know, I can get moisture in and it retain it instead of just building on top of it. So keep your hair clean. That helps you. Next on the list is very crucial. I'm not gonna say it's more important than the others, but it's basically consistency. Okay, you have to put your hair on a routine. If your hair is used to being washed every 3 weeks, wash your hair every 3 weeks. If your hair is used to using hair grease since you were 3 years old, use the hair grease. Or, you know, whatever routine that you're doing, whatever product that you're using, whatever hairstylist that you're using, you need to stick with them. I understand that some people might go to a stylist and, you know, might not like them. But whenever you find a good stylist, you need to stick with them, because you don't want everybody's hands in your hair. You don't want everybody gripping and pulling out your edges. Like, stick with one person that does well with your hair, and you won't have any problems, okay? So consistency is a big thing. If you protective style every 3 months, protective style, okay? Your hair does what you tell it to do. Your hair feeds off of what you feed it. So just do right by it and keep doing that. It's that simple. A lot of people make natural hair growth seem like some big crazy thing, when that's not the case. All you have to do is be consistent, cut off, you know, your damage, keep your hair trimmed, protective style, you know, keep it clean, continue moisturizing and deep conditioning, whatever it is that you do. Do that consistently on a routine, not every single day. You shouldn't be deep conditioning every single day. You shouldn't be doing protein treatments every single day. Get you a schedule, okay? Get that thing rolling and your hair will grow, okay? And that is it. The last thing I have to say is, y'all, love your hair. No matter what stage you are in, love your hair. If you're constantly hiding it and saying you hate it, you're never going to see your growth. You won't see how long it is, how healthy it is. You won't enjoy everything that comes with your natural hair. So you just have to love your hair, okay? Wear it confidently, wear it boldly, okay? You might feel like your hair looks bad, but somebody else is looking at you like, girl, your hair look good. So wear that thing, okay? Period. I did say that I was gonna mention a couple of products that I use. And another thing, y'all, you do not have to use the most expensive products out here. You don't have to use the most organic products out here. Now, of course, everybody has their preference. Everybody can't exactly spend that much money on certain natural hair care products. But anyways, what I'm getting at is, you don't need to have the top of the line stuff to have healthy and long hair. So I'm gonna share with you just a few products of what I started out using when I cut my hair. I don't know if this video is already too long or not, but one product that I have used since childbirth. One product I have used since I was a kid is Softy hair grease, okay? I'm gonna put it on the screen. Softy hair grease. I have used this since I was a child. This is what my dad put in my hair because my dad did my hair as a kid. This is what he used. I have always stuck to it. I still use it to this day. Hair grease. Stand by it. Does everybody use hair grease? No. But do I use it? Yes. Does it work for me? Yes. Is my hair used to it? Yes. Okay, so am I gonna keep using it? Yes. Along with Softy, I started using the Softy hair gel in the clear gel with the black top, okay? Now, these products are cheap, y'all. I'm gonna put the price up here too. Softy is a very cheap brand. You find it in like Walmart and stuff. It's very cheap. Is it the best for my hair? I don't know as far as like ingredients, but does it work for my hair? Yes. I don't have to go broke trying to put something in my hair, and that works, so that is good. And those two products, you could get a pop-in wash and go out of that, okay? Anyways, let's move on. The hair care line I used to use when I first cut my hair off was Africa's Best, okay? I used to use Africa's Best shampoo, deep conditioner, leave-in, and curl defining cream, and their oil. I can stand by all of those because that's what I used to use. Especially with me being in college, I didn't have a lot of money, y'all. So that stuff worked for me, and that's what I kept using. That's what I put my hair on a routine to get used to, and it grew. So another shampoo that I used to use was Herbal Essences. I used that. I'll put that on the screen. And it was just a very large bottle. And one thing about me, if I buy a big bottle of something, I'm going to use that whole bottle unless I just really hate it. But I use herbal essences to wash my hair, and I wash my hair pretty frequently when it was short because I was always putting something in it to make it curl up. So of course, if it built up so much, I would have to wash it. So I feel like I washed my hair every week or two back then. Anyways, another leave-in that I used to use was Cantu. A lot of people know about Cantu. That's what I started out using until I found other things that worked better than Cantu. I'm not saying that Cantu didn't work, but I found things that was just better than Cantu for me. So everybody know what this bottle right here is, okay? And now the moisturizer that I'm on now is the Pantene Gold Series, their buttercream. I love that moisturizer right now for myself. Of course, I have moved on to trying out Shea Moisture and all these other kind of things. But when you start moving into Shea Moisture, that's when things start getting pricier depending on your pocket. So I don't know what's affordable to you, what's not affordable to you. But honestly, I personally think Shea Moisture is expensive. So, I haven't really bought a whole lot lately, but I'm going to continue using what I already have. Now, and that's just where I am with products. I repeat, I don't use a whole lot of products. Whatever I get, I stick with it until I find something different, or if my hair just doesn't respond well to it. Another product I didn't mention was the Wetline Extreme Gel. I'll move over again. Wetline Extreme is really good in my hair. And that's really all the stuff I've used in the Auntie Jackie's. So a lot of the stuff that I mentioned, y'all can look at a lot of my videos where I've tried it and showed y'all how I do my hair with it, because I have so many videos on that. And there's more to come. I'm going to continue trying stuff. So if there's anything y'all want me to try, let me know in the comment section below. Alright y'all, so that is the end of this video. I hope you all found something helpful out of this video, something useful out of this video. I hope you found out something new out of this video. I just hope you enjoyed this video overall. If there's anything you want me to do or talk about, just let me know in the comment section. I do respond, and forgive me if I haven't responded to you yet, but I promise you I respond to 99% of my comments. So let me know what y'all want to see, what y'all want to do or whatever. And until then, please, 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 please stay beautiful and be blessed.